Okay, so we're gonna go over the holes inside the skull. So if we look at the sphenoid bone here, these are the lesser wings, this is gonna be the greater wing, and I'm gonna put my stick in this hole over here. This is the optic canal, right there. We turn it around, we could see it in the orbital area. So it's important to know it from both sides. And now we're gonna look at the superior orbital fissure, and I will have to lift this a little bit, and we're gonna go right underneath the lesser wings, right there. I'm gonna put my stick in. Right there, that's gonna be the superior orbital fissure. If I turn the skull around, this is where it is. This is the inferior orbital fissure, but you can't see it from the inside. So you could see the superior orbital fissure from the inside, but not the inferior orbital fissure. Okay, so again, we had optic canal, superior orbital fissure. Now this one over here, this is gonna be the foramen rotundum, right here. Right underneath that, you're gonna have foramen ovale, which is oval shaped. And again, it's important to look at it from both sides, like this. And then you have foramen spinosum underneath here. This is the sella turcica of the sphenoid bone. So if we look underneath, on the sides, you have this hole over here and this hole over here. This is gonna be the foramen lacerum, right here. Again, I'm gonna put my stick in and look at it from the other side. On your practical, it could be on either side. And here is the temporal bone right here. So this hole right here is going to be the internal auditory canal. We can't put our stick through, but because it's too small, but it will extend all the way out to the external auditory canal. And remember, that's going to be part of the temporal bone. Below this foramen, we have the jugular. The jugular is somewhat heart-shaped. I'm gonna put my stick through like this. So it's gonna be right here. And then you also have the foramen magnum, part of the occipital bone. Another one, which we didn't talk about in class, but it's important to know, is if you look over here at the foramen lacerum and move down, there's gonna be a hole right there. Let's see if it goes through. There we go. This is called the carotid canal, right there. There you go. And that pretty much covers the holes inside of the skull.